Pikachu shoes. And we're gonna check these things out. And the main reason me buying these wasn't just because they were just more custom shoes, and yes, they don't have this stupid fake Jordan logo, but they also are lined with fur. So the complaint that I had with the last pair that I bought was that the shoes were just they weren't comfortable. They weren't too comfortable. Also, they were really thin, and they weren't really too insulated. So I found a pair of these, and these things are lined with fur, which is so cool. Look at these things. These are cool shoes. And look at the design. Look at that tail from Pikachu. And also at the bottom, instead of the normal whites that you got with the other ones, these have black on the feet. So again, black looks, it's a far better thing to go with white. With white, they just get dirty. I'm not a fan of having white shoes. I prefer the black, always prefer the black. And these are cool because at the end of the day, if you want a pair of shoes that just catch attention, these are definitely shoes that will make people look and say, damn, this guy's wearing some Pikachu shoes. Yep, I'm wearing some Pikachu. So these are definitely ones I'm going to be wearing when I go out. And yeah, definitely going to get some looks when I wear these shoes. Awesome. And then we'll check out the second one here as well. And both are the same, as you can see. So I'm assuming that they've actually ripped up this design. So I'm assuming that this guy here, Bob Skiddy from look at the spelling. I'm pretty sure Melville spelled with an M-E, so I may actually end up just painting over that thing or rubbing that stuff off because that looks stupid. Typos are no. But yeah, they've put a copyright 1985 Molborn. It's got an M in it as well. I didn't realize that. Australia spelled wrong as well. That's just embarrassing. But yeah, gonna make sure that gets rubbed off. But yeah, these shoes were under £30, and I decided to pick this up because these look pretty damn cool. So if you are in the hunt and you want to pick up some shoes, some cool looking shoes, I definitely have to say the stitching looks far better than what I've had so far. I do like the way that they've just stitched it in the middle here. I mean, they could have gone on the outside, but I suppose, you know, again, like I've said, beggars can't be choosers. The back would have been cool if they put like maybe a lightning bolt or something, because I just hate having just something plain around the back. And yeah, and I have to admit, this is definitely a plus. Having the fur line thing just feels nice. But again, these are pretty thin, so again, make sure you are double socked. And yeah, and maybe definitely have an insole. So this is a quick little video on more of these weird custom shoes that I'm picking up as well, because at the end of the day, if you're going to be out there, if you're going to be buying, say for example you go out, you buy some Jordans, and you go through the effort of, you may not have the same talent to maybe paint, or maybe you have to think about this, so you have to buy all the paints, you need the primer, undercoat, then make sure that paint's locked in there firm and it has the same sort of machine like thing, because it's not going to look perfect. That's the thing. And if it does look perfect, how much time are you going to be putting into it as well? So this is just basically a shortcut. You're going out there buying basically generic shoes, really, that will just do the job and give you looks, and you're going to wear them. You're not going to be an everyday shoe, just a casual short shoe that you go out there and you wear. And this is definitely something that's going to bring home and definitely going to get the right attention. Maybe, you know, people think, oh, that is a cool shoe, but just make sure that when you get them and it has typos, rub this off, because that's just embarrassing. And this has been a little video here, and as always, more things to come. Like, subscribe. Peace out.